Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Welcome back to Geometry Basics. In our previous class, we have discussed about line segment, and ray. Line means sarala rekha. Line segment rekhakhanda. Ray rasmi. Could understand? And standing line, that is perpendicular line, slipping line, that is horizontal line, and slanting line, that is teresa line. Standing line, perpendicular line means dandayamara bhulamba. Slipping line or horizontal line means bhu samantarala. Slanting line means teresa. Again, there are two types of slanting lines. One is left slanting line, another is right slanting line. Left slanting line left आड़ू ढलिकी थिबो, right slanting line डाहाण आड़ू ढलिकी थिबो. Right? So today we shall discuss about triangle. Could understand? So look at the picture. What did I say? Look at the picture. What is this?
Triangle.
This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Could you understand? This is a closed space. It is a closed field. Closed by three sides. This is a side, this is a side, and this is a side. Could you understand? So, as the field has three sides, it is called triangle. Tribhuja. Bhuja means bahu. Ehar tinoti bahu achi. Bahu means three side achi. Right? Tinoti bahu achi. This is a side, this is a side, and this is a side. Eta gote bahu, eta gote bahu, eta gote bahu. Could you understand? जेहेतु आर तीनोटी बाहु अच्छी बाहु मीन्स भुज आ ना दिया त्रिभुज. एज दी figure has three sides, it is called triangle. Or we can say it has three corners. This is a corner, right? This is a corner, this is a corner. Corner is called angle. So how many angles are there in this field? Three angles. As it has three angles, it is called triangle. Could you understand? Triangle. ए आर तीनोटी शीर्ष बिंदु अच्छी. दिस इज ए vertex, this is a vertex, this is a vertex. How many vertex? Three vertex. तीनोटी शीर्ष बिंदु अच्छी. बुझिपाल? Could you understand?
Yes.
How many sides the figure has? Three sides. How many angles the figure has? Three angles. How many vertex the figure has? Three vertex. So it is called a triangle. Could you understand? It is a triangle. The name of the triangle is this is triangle ABC. The name of the triangle is ABC. जदि ये क ख ग दिया तबे त्रिभुजर ना क ख त्रिभुज होता. राइट? हाँ, दिस इज ABC triangle. Right? It's a vertex. A is its vertex, B is its vertex, vertex and C vertex, right? So again, this is the angle and the name of the angle is angle A. Another, this is the angle and the name of this angle is angle B. And this is the angle and the name of this angle is C. Could understand? The sides of the angle are, this one is AC and this one is AB side and this one is BC side. Could understand? Right? So we came to know the angle names, side names and the name of the vertex of the figure. Could understand? Now let's move to the next page. Right? Yes. Triangle. Triangle means what? Tribhuja. So a triangle is a polygon. A triangle is a polygon. Is a polygon. Polygon means what? Bahubhuja. Polygon means a triangle has how many sides a triangle has? 3 sides. Could understand? A triangle is a polygon having 3 sides or edges, 3 angles and 3 vertices. A polygon is a closed plane field having 3 or more sides or line segments and angles. Okay. Next, types of triangles. The types of triangles. There are 3 types of triangles. So, types of triangles means tribhujar prakara and as per sides or based on sides. बाहु को भित्ति करी ट्रायंगल्स आर ऑफ 3 टाइप्स. बाहु अनुसार 3 प्रकार त्रिभुज अछि. कोण हिसाब रे 3 प्रकार त्रिभुज अछि. एज पर साइड्स और बेस्ड ऑन साइड्स triangles are of 3 types. They are equilateral triangle, that is समबाहु त्रिभुज, isosceles triangle समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज, scalene triangle विषमबाहु त्रिभुज. नेक्स्ट, एज पर एंगल्स और बेस्ड ऑन एंगल्स. कोण को भित्ति करी 3 प्रकार त्रिभुज अछि. Triangles are 3 types. They are acute angled triangle, सूक्ष्मकोणी त्रिभुज, right angle triangle, समकोणी त्रिभुज, obtuse angled triangle, स्थूलकोणी त्रिभुज. Okay. Based on sides, there are 3 triangles. One is equilateral triangles. One is equilateral triangle. Another is isosceles triangle, and the last one is scalene triangle. Based on angles, triangles are of 3 types. One is acute angled triangle, that is सूक्ष्मकोणी त्रिभुज, right angle triangle समकोणी त्रिभुज, obtuse angled triangle स्थूलकोणी त्रिभुज. Next, equilateral triangle. So let's know what is equilateral triangle. समबाहु त्रिभुज. It is a equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle which has 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles and each angle is 60 degree. जो त्रिभुजर तीनोटी जाक बाहु तीनोटी जाक कोण समान एवं प्रत्येक कोण 60 डिग्री दैट इज कॉल्ड इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. Triangle above is the triangle above is an equilateral triangle, right? Next one is isosceles triangle. समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज समद्विबाहु दीटा बाहु समान. This one is equal to this one. So an isosceles triangle is a triangle which has two equal sides and two equal angles. जो त्रिभुजर दुईटी बाहु समान एवं दुईटी कोण समान से त्रिभुज को आम समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज कहू, राइट. नेक्स्ट वन इज स्केलेन ट्रायंगल. विषम बाहु त्रिभुज. ए स्केलेन ट्रायंगल इज ए ट्रायंगल which has just 1 minute. Which has right which has sides of different length lengths and angles of different measurement. That means जो कोणर तीनोटी जाक बाहुर परिमाण असमान एवं तीनोटी जाक कोणर परिमाण असमान ताकू विषम बाहु त्रिभुज कहा जाए. नेक्स्ट वी विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. यस, हियर इज अनदर one right angle triangle. That means समकोणी त्रिभुज. A right angle triangle is a triangle that has one right angle जार कि गोटे कोण 90 डिग्री ताकू समकोणी त्रिभुज कहा जाए. The other two angles are acute angles. अन्य दीटा होची सूक्ष्म कोण. That means less than 90. Mark that it has one standing line. This is standing line. This is sleeping line. This is slanting line. Left slanting line. This is standing line that is perpendicular. This is भूलंब. This is sleeping line. Horizontal line भू समांतराल. This is slanting line तिरछा line बाम तिरछा line. So it is one sleeping line and one left slanting line. Now let's move to the next triangle. Acute angle triangle. That means सूक्ष्मकोणी त्रिभुज. So an acute triangle is a triangle whose all three angles are acute angles that is less than 90. जो कोणर जो त्रिभुजर तीनोटी जाक प्रत्येक कोण तीनोटी जाकरू प्रत्येक कोण 90 डिग्री टू कम ताकू सूक्ष्म कोण कहा जाए और दैट इज एक्यूट एंगल ट्रायंगल. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट इज ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल. स्थूलकोणी त्रिभुज. हियर इज ए ट्रायंगल एंड इट इज एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल. एन ऑब्ट्यूज ट्रायंगल इज ए triangle that has one obtuse angle. Obtuse means more than 90 degree. This is जो त्रिभुजर गोटे कोण 90 डिग्री टू अधिक ताकू स्थूलकोणी त्रिभुज कहा जाए. एंड अदर टू एंगल्स आर एक्यूट एंगल्स. अन्य दीटा कोण होचंदी सूक्ष्म कोण. दैट मीन्स लेस देन 90 डिग्री. ओके. Now here तो बेस भूमि, altitude height उच्चता and area क्षेत्रफल. The base of a triangle is refers to the bottom side of the triangle. So here is a triangle This is the base. This is the base. This is the altitude. This is right. এইটা হচ্ছে বেস তার ভূমিটা বুঝিপারছ না হ্যাঁ হাইট দিস ইজ 1 minute. Here this is the base, this one is the altitude, this one is the altitude. Just 1 minute. Yes, this is the base, this sleeping line is the base, this is the slanting line, this is called diagonal back corner, this is called height, uchchata. Now let's move to the next point. So any side can be base when it is considered to be the bottom side of the triangle. Triangle ର ତିନିଟା ବାହୁ ଅଛି ଆମେ जो ବାହୁଟାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ବେସ୍ କରିପାରିବା right. Any side can be base. The altitude of a triangle is a line that is perpendicular to the base of a triangle and passes through the corner. जोड़ा दंडायमान ହେଇକି ଥାଉଛି the standing line is called altitude and the length of the altitude from the base of the opposite corner is the height of the triangle right. Next height means उच्चता. Lastly the area is the amount of space inside the triangle. Area means क्षेत्रफल the place it occupies जो स्थान अधिकार करिथाए that is called area क्षेत्रफल. Next parts of a triangle. Triangle ର अंश जाक देखिबा. So giving today it is giving a much problem. So this is the altitude or we can call it height. This is the base right. So height, length of altitude, area, space inside the triangle. These 4 parts of a triangle all come together in the formula for the area of a triangle, which is the area of a triangle. त्रिभुजर क्षेत्रफल इज इक्वल टू हाफ भूमि इंटू उच्चता. सो एरिया मीन्स ए. लुक एट द पिक्चर. एरिया मीन्स ए. एरिया इज इक्वल टू हाफ. बी मीन्स बेस भूमि. एच हाइट उच्चता. सो एरिया इज इक्वल टू हाफ बी एच. हाफ बेस इंटू हाइट. Where b is equal to base length and h is equal to height or altitude length. Next, just 1 minute. For example, if a triangle has a base length 4 centimeters and altitude length 10 centimeters, then we can find the area of the triangle by plugging b is equal to 4 and h is equal to 10 into the formula and simplifying. A is equal to half 4 and 10 is equal to 20. Next one is equal to. Yes, another triangle with a special altitude is the equilateral triangle. This is the equilateral triangle. Equilateral means समबाहु त्रिभुज. The altitude of an equilateral triangle splits the base exactly in half. आर उच्चताटा से भूमिटा को समान दि भाग कर दोछि. Splits the base into 2 equal parts and splits the triangle into 2 equal right angles. आउ त्रिभुजटा को समबाहु त्रिभुजटा को दुईटी समकोणी त्रिभुज रे परिणत कर दोछि. So this is altitudes in equilateral and right triangle. It is equilateral triangle. So it is divided by height, equally divided by height. So we get 2 right angle. This is a right angle and this is a right angle. So, and now let's move to the next learning point. Just 1 minute. Here, perimeter of a triangle. Perimeter means what?
Number.
No, ପରିସୀମା. ତ୍ରିଭୁଜର ପରିସୀମା. So, this is a triangle. It has 3 sides. The name of 3 sides are this is A side, B side, C side. ଯେତେବେଳେ କି ଆମେ କୋଣର ନାଁ ଲେଖୁଛେ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଲେଟର A B C ରେ ଲେଖୁଛେ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ତ୍ରିଭୁଜର ବାହୁର ନାଁ ଲେଖୁଛେ ସେତେବେଳେ ସ୍ମଲ୍ ଲେଟର A B C ଲେଖୁଛେ. Could you understand? So this is A is a side, B is a side, C is a side. P means perimeter. Perimeter means परिसीमा. So the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all its 3 sides. आर परिसीमाटा है 3 टाक बाहुर समष्टि. We can work out the perimeter using the formula. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all the 3 sides. Perimeter means perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. A side, B side, C side. Okay, that's the end of the today's lesson. We will have a more discussion about geometry basics in our next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.